Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Binance wallet to MetaMask, step by step. First, ensure you have MetaMask installed and set up in your browser. This process involves adding the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. We will then cover how to find your Binance wallet address and transfer funds. This connection allows seamless interaction with decentralized applications on the Binance Smart Chain. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and click on the Network drop-down menu at the top. Select the Add Network option to manually configure a new network. You will need to input specific details for the Binance Smart Chain, including the network name, a new RPC URL, chain ID 56, and the currency symbol BNB. This step establishes the necessary bridge for your MetaMask to interact with BSC. Next, you'll need your Binance Smart Chain deposit address. Log into your Binance account and go to your Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet. Search for BNB and choose the deposit option. Make sure to select the BEP20 network. Copy this unique address carefully, as it is where you will send funds from your Binance account to your MetaMask wallet. Finally, with your Binance Smart Chain network added to MetaMask and your Binance deposit address copied, you can transfer funds. Go to your Binance Spot wallet, find BNB and select Withdraw. Paste your MetaMask wallet address, choose the BEP20 network, and send a small amount. Verify the transaction on a BSC Explorer to confirm your funds have arrived, completing the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.